So what happened, there was a breakage in the hose from the dishwasher, and it fled everything, and it went on the underneath the underlayment. It got everything wet, but some of it went under the underlayment. From this area here, it went underneath here all the way to here. This area was wet as well.
Ceiling downstairs.
Mhm.
There's some line there. Is it from the water damage?
That's possible. Let's go down and measure and see if we have any dampness right now. We do have moisture. We do have moisture. We have to take this down as well. We're going to show that to the adjuster. And we're going to have to take the ceiling down here as well, because potentially water and oxygen and dampness can cause mold. So we're going to have to take here the ceiling as well.